Beetroot Kuruma recipe for chapati and rice. This delicious recipe needs 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take half cup of coconut pieces, add 2 small cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoon gram flour, add very little water and grind it into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a cooker, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 3 minutes until the onion turns to soft. Now add 1 chopped tomato and saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1.5 cup of chopped beetroot, 3/4 cup of green peas, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add previously grinded coconut paste to it. Also add 1.5 cup of water to it. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Our beetroot kuruma recipe for chapati and rice is ready. You can also add some coriander leaves if you like it.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.